Hey gamers, welcome back to Gadget Tide. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Nintendo Switch. Let's get started. Inside the box, we will find the Nintendo Switch console, the Joy-Con controllers, the dock, the cables and more. And guess what? We are going to turn it on right now to witness the magic. One of the standard features of the Nintendo Switch is the Joy-Con controllers. They're incredibly versatile, allowing for a variety of gaming experiences, from traditional to motion-controlled gameplay. The Nintendo Switch is a portable powerhouse. You can play on the go in handheld mode, or dock it for a big screen experience to get the maximum fun. So there you have it, the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch, right here on Gadget Tide. To support our content, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tech reviews. Until next time, stay tuned, stay gaming and stay awesome.